Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. The content on this channel is for education and entertainment only. Nothing here is financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and talk to a licensed professional before making any investment decisions. Trading involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. You're responsible for your own money.
Hey investors, and welcome back to the channel. As we kick off September, I'm excited to share a few stocks and crypto names that are firmly on my radar for the next few years. And trust me, these picks have some seriously solid reasons behind why they could be long-term winners. Before we dive into the specifics, let's zoom out for a second and talk about the big picture, specifically a 5-year outlook. Because in long-term investing, having the right mindset and crystal clear goals is absolutely crucial. This isn't about chasing quick gains. It's about thinking long-term and staying patient. Now, just a quick heads up, as always, this isn't financial advice. Think of this as my personal take, my research, shared here for you to consider as part of your own due diligence. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.
All right, let's set politics aside for a moment and talk about the geopolitical and economic landscape that could significantly impact our investments. We're operating under a President Trump administration, and his approach distinctly favors targeted, efficient spending aimed at boosting the economy through tax cuts and fewer regulations. He's generally cautious about heavy government spending, but there's a fascinating twist. He's surprisingly bullish on crypto. In July 2025, President Trump signed the Genius Act into law. This is a massive development, creating clearer, more robust rules around stablecoins, bringing much-needed legitimacy and oversight to this rapidly growing part of the crypto market. He's also strongly pushing for U.S. rare earth mining to enhance national security, a critical move for our tech and defense industries. And when it comes to AI research, his focus is primarily on defense and private sector partnerships rather than huge government programs. This is about enabling innovation, not dictating it.
So, with that context, where do we as long-term investors fit in? The sectors most likely to benefit from this focused spending and policy direction are clearly crypto, technology-focused industries, especially AI and data centers, robotics for automation, defense, and aerospace. There's a lot bubbling under the surface in terms of potential beneficiaries, but for today, I want to highlight some key players that might not always grab the mainstream headlines, yet align perfectly with the president's goals for economic growth and national security. This won't be another video about the usual suspects like Nvidia, Meta, or Google. While they're undeniable forces, let's explore some unique opportunities you might not have heard about. My top stock picks to watch are MP Materials, Palantir, BigBear.ai, Supermicrocomputer, Symphony AI, and Marathon Digital Holdings. Let's break down why these companies are so compelling right now. MP Materials plays an absolutely critical role in the rare earth supply chain. These materials are essential for everything from our smartphones and electric vehicles to advanced defense systems. With the push for domestic rare earth mining for national security, MP is strategically positioned. Palantir provides powerful data analytics platforms widely used in government and defense, giving it an incredibly strong foothold. With the continued emphasis on AI and data-driven insights for national security, Palantir's expertise is in high demand. BigBear.ai and Symphony AI are two companies leading the charge in AI-driven automation and data solutions. These are industries set for massive growth, as businesses and governments alike seek to leverage AI for efficiency and advanced decision-making. Supermicrocomputer supports the crucial infrastructure behind data centers, which are absolutely vital for powering AI and cloud computing. As AI adoption explodes, so does the demand for robust data center solutions. Marathon Digital Holdings is a major player in crypto mining. With blockchain technology expanding and government support for the crypto ecosystem, companies like Marathon are attracting more attention as digital assets become more mainstream. These companies are incredibly well positioned to benefit from the government's push for innovation and economic growth, making them worth keeping an eye on if you're looking to invest in tomorrow's leaders. Now, let's talk about the crypto side of things. My top crypto picks to watch are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, and Solana. President Trump's recent moves to regulate and support crypto, highlighted by the Genius Act, truly show he's serious about bringing it into the mainstream with clearer rules and legitimacy. That's fantastic news for the entire sector. Bitcoin is the king of crypto, and now even part of the US government's strategic Bitcoin reserve, a massive endorsement that underscores its perceived value as a strategic asset, akin to gold. This reserve is primarily built from seized assets, with the Treasury exploring budget-neutral ways to acquire more. Ethereum is the backbone for most smart contracts and stablecoins. With the Genius Act providing clarity on stablecoins, Ethereum's foundational role becomes even more critical. XRP continues to stand out for its potential in fast, low-cost cross-border payments, an area with immense real-world application. Cardano and Solana offer compelling alternatives for decentralized applications, often boasting cheaper and faster transaction capabilities, which could see increased adoption as the crypto ecosystem matures. All of these coins are important pieces of the growing crypto ecosystem. And with the government pushing for clearer, more supportive regulations, they could be incredibly smart picks for investors who want to get ahead of a more regulated, mainstream crypto future. So there you have it, my long-term outlook and top picks for September 2025. What are your thoughts? Are any of these on your radar? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future insights. Remember, patience and a long-term perspective are your greatest assets in the investing world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.